Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change stroke color on Picsart. So first of all, we want to open Picsart. After opening it, here is an option. You can see here open editor, click on that. So for changing the stroke color, first I'm just going to upload an image and I'm just going to add stroke to this image. So for adding the stroke to this image, here on the top you can see here many options, and here is an option. You can see here edit, click on that, and then here is an option. You can see here stroke. In here you can see that had been turned off, so by clicking it you can turn it on, and now you can see that you had been turned on the stroke. So for changing the color, here you can see the black color over here, click on that, and from here you can just choose the color that you wanted. And then you can see that you had been changed the stroke color on Picsart. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to do hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.